Okay, so we look at to our second question, which is 1 to 4 x square minus 4x plus 2 dx. So we proceed to our first steps, which we need to find delta x, which is equal to b minus a over n. Okay, so our b is 4 and our a is 1. So 4 minus 1 over n, we got 3 over n. Okay, so the second step is we need to find the xi, where the equation is a plus I delta x. So our a is 1 plus I and delta x is 3 over n. So we got 1 plus 3i over n. Okay, for the third step, which is evaluate the fx. So our fx will be x square minus 4x plus 2. And so next one is we need to find f of xi, where we need to substitute the value of xi into the x value. So we need to find 1 plus 3i over n square minus 4 times with 1 plus 3i over n plus 2. So when we simplify it, the last value that we got is negative 1 minus 6i over n plus 9i square over n square. Okay, next we proceed to use the limits laws, where limits of n approaches infinity, sum of n I equal to 1 f xi times with delta x. So we got limits of n approaches infinity, sum of n I equal to 1 fxi that we got is negative 1 minus 6i over n plus 9i square over n square, and we time with delta x, which is 3 over n. So we multiply it and we got limits of n approaches infinity, sum of n I equal to 1 negative 3 over n minus 18i over n square plus 27n square over n cube. Then we need to separate each of them, where we got limits of n approaches infinity, negative 3 over n, sum of n I equal to 1 times with 1 minus limit of n approaches infinity, 18n square, sum of n I equal to 1 I plus limit of n approaches infinity, 27 over n cube, sum of n I equal to 1 times with I square. Then we need to substitute the value of each one with the n. Okay, so we got limit of n approaches infinity, negative 3 over n. The value of 1 we replace with n minus 18 over n square, and the value of I we replace with n times with n plus 1 over 2 plus 27 over n cube, and the value of I square we replace with the value of n times with n plus 1 times with 2n plus 1 over 6. So we just to simplify it, we multiply by 1 by 1. So we got negative 3n over n minus 9n square plus 9n over n square plus 54n cube over 6n cube plus 81n square over n cube plus 27n over 6n cube. And then we just simplify it by cancel it. So we got negative 3 minus 9 plus 9 over n plus 9 plus 81 over n plus 27 over 6n square. So the value of n we replace with infinity. So we got 9 over infinity equal to 0, and same with 81 over infinity, that is equal to 0, and 27 over 6 times with infinity, that is also equal to 0. So negative 3 minus 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 0. The answer that we get is negative 3.